Hi guys, welcome to my channel NAIJA News and Entertainment. I've got great news for you guys as CNN releases top 10 biggest African artists. The compilation of 10 Africa's biggest stars in the music industry saw Burna Boy top the list. CNN published the content on the 22nd of November and it caught our attention today. First on the list, Burna Boy. His real name is Dlamini Ogula, born on the 2nd of July 1991. He's a Nigerian singer and a songwriter. The second on the list is ANGELIGUE KIDJO, who is a Beninese singer, songwriter, actress and activist, born 14 July 1960. Diamond Platnumz, born 2nd November 1989, with real name Nasibu Abdul Jumal, popularly known by his stage name Diamond Platnumz, is a Tanzanian bongo flava recording artist, dancer and businessman from Tandale. Fourth on the list is Yemi Alade, born 13th March 1989, who is a Nigerian Afro-pop singer and songwriter. Fifth on the list is TIWA Savage, born on the 5th of February 1980. She's a Nigerian singer, songwriter and actress who began her music career doing backup vocals for artists. The sixth on the list is Wizkid, born on the 16th July 1990. Ayodeji Ibrahim Balogun, which is his real name, but popularly known as Wizkid, is a Nigerian singer and songwriter. The seventh on the list is Mr. EAZI, born on the 19th July 1991. His real names are Oluwatosin Ajibade, better known by his stage name Mr. EAZI. He is a Nigerian singer, songwriter and entrepreneur. He is the pioneer of Banku music. The eighth on the list is Sho Majozi, born on the 9th of May 1992, a South African rapper, singer, songwriter, actress and poet. The ninth on the list is Busiswa Gulu, born on the 8th November 1988. She is a South African singer, songwriter and poet, born in Mthatha, Eastern Cape Town. The last but not the least, Mwila Musonda, born on 27th April 1987, is a Zambian hip-hop and rap musician, regarded as one of the pioneers of Zambian hip-hop. And to think one of Nigeria's top artists, Davido, is not on this list. Does this mean he is not recognized by the global network CNN? What do you think, guys, about this list, and where does Davido's career lie globally? Thank you.